Hello guys, welcome here in this video. I am Renlyn and we're going to make a book cover on Canva. So in case y'all don't know what Canva is an app and you can create tons of graphic designs there. You can create templates and book covers. You're just gonna search there and voila. You can just edit the title and you have a book cover that you can use on your Wattpad stories. And for me, Canva has only the basics in editing, but if you have a wide creativity, you can create something there, and I recommend it. If you're a beginner, if you want a book cover, you can just use Canva. And for commissions, I don't know if I'm gonna recommend Canva because I am not knowledgeable on the licenses of this app, but who knows. So you see, I picked a grass background earlier, but it has a Canva logo on it. That means I need to subscribe under premium. And if you pay the premium, you have more access on their editing features and you have more access on the elements, the backgrounds, and I think that's worth it. So I'm kind of lazy in talking, so I'm just gonna finish my voiceover here and enjoy the process of making a book cover here in Canva.